welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a temperature and humidity monitoring device which is offered from ACE Instruments. This is a new device which has been developed to acquire the data over the LAN system directly using this RJ45 cable input. The technical specification for this temperature humidity device, as you can see, this is having an LED display. The temperature range is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of 0.3 degrees plus or minus, and the RH is 0 to 100% with an accuracy of 1.5% plus or minus. This has got an internal sensor, as you can see. However, there is a provision to have external sensor which can be pre-wired 3 meters, or if you want a longer length, it can go up to 10 to 15 meters. The use for this longer sensor could be that you can put the sensor inside the server room or any related application, while the instrument can be mounted outside with the help of this 2 screws clamp. It uses a power adapter, 12 volts. It has got front 4 keys for setting the low limit and the high limit. When I say the low limit and the high limit, which means that for the temperature, low limit and high limit, it will have the buzzer. It has an inbuilt buzzer. Also, it can be extended with an external buzzer which can be taken to your 24/7 surveillance area where the security guard or any floorman is available. To give an overview about this LAN, I have just used this LAN cable connected to the modem. This is a home modem, a residential modem which I have used. It has got 4 port. However, once you connect to this modem, you can use this data from any of this channel. Once this is having a connection established with this modem, please note that this unique IP address will be generated for this device, and then this will be accessed by the node or the service or the system from the same network. I'll try to show you a small demonstration of how this LAN based system the data can be acquired with this device. We have made an utility device. It's an exe file which can be configured on any of the system in the LAN network, and this utility device has 4 major sections. One is the create database. When I say create database, it means that you need to have the database of this data which is coming from the device. Please ensure that MySQL database is already installed in the local host, or if you're using the server, it should be installed in the server. The second is about the configuring the device, which means that once this exe is installed in the system, you need to communicate with this device. For that, you need to provide the IP address of this device so that you can configure. The third is the real-time data which you can see from the system, from the device which is coming over here. And the last part is to generate the report in an Excel format from a specific date and time to a specific date and time. I will now show you just a screen of create database. This is how you have to create the screen for the database. You need to give the host, username, password, database name, table name. Please note that the database is already created in this system as this details. Host name as localhost, username as root, database as IoT underscore DB, and table name is IoT. Now, since the database is already created, I will go to the configure device just to show you. Please note that these screens will be used by skilled admins who are having knowledge of the LAN system and the administration part of the infrastructure. Now click configure device. You have the IP address, port and the interval. In this case it is already entered. The next is record data. When I click on this record data, I can see that this is a real-time data which is coming from this device. The last time which you can see, the current time is 12:33 p.m. and the last we have received at 12:32 27 seconds. Now the data interval is set to 1 minute. You can configure to any interval if you wish to. You can see the temperature and the humidity also. In this case you can see that this 1 minute interval it is generated. The last one is about creating the reports or getting the reports. For this you have to go to the generate report. You have to provide the from and to, time and date, and the download folder. In this case we have used the download folder and we are generating the report. I'll show you the Excel sheet which is generated. This is the one which is generated as of now. As you can see, the IP address, the port, temperature, humidity and the time and date. The latest record can be shown at the last. You can sort the way you want. The latest record is 12:33 with temperature as 31 and humidity as 62. Now please note that this utility is made for the purpose where you don't have a BMS system or an acquisition system of your own. Mostly if you are using the LAN based system, it is understood that you are having an acquisition system where we'll be giving you how to configure this IP address and the port. This is a utility device. However, if you have your own utility device where you can access the data of this device, you can very much go to that. After when you have created the database, you can even create a web-based portal to take it to the cloud also or to internet also. This is currently into intranet. Now please note that we have a very large portfolio of temperature and humidity measuring device. Being a manufacturer, we have also got LAN. Along with the LAN based system, we have also got the IoT based system where we can use the latest technologies like the LoRa IoT GSM based technology to ensure that applications like cold rooms, warehouse, server rooms, blood banks and related applications are served. For more information and to talk to our technical experts, you can always reach our website instrucard.com. Many thanks for watching.